Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here guys on a Dodge Dart and we'll show you how to remove or how to replace front door. We'll demonstrate on the front left, front right is exactly the same way guys. So stay with us, we'll cover everything from start to finish. Quick introduction, every car we get at the shop we make at least 200 videos. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. We'll even have more than 200 videos on Dodge Dart because we even took the whole engine apart guys, so we can show you how to fix things. Another thing, if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we order all our things from. So we'll go ahead and explain to you what needs to be done to remove or replace the door. First, I'll recommend guys to disconnect your car battery at least 1 hour before the repair. Why? Because you have side impact airbag sensor in the door, so you don't want to activate the airbag light. Okay, working on airbag sensors, airbag components, it can guys cause explosion, it can kill you, it can guys kill other passengers, and just have to be extremely careful. If you're not certified and qualified, I wouldn't recommend it guys. So consider this entertaining video. We have our car battery already disconnected, and next guys, what we're going to do, okay, we're going to open the door and we'll explain what we have here. Now, a few things that we need to do. So what we need to do guys, we need to get a 15mm wrench guys. Okay, ratcheting wrench is really convenient, and we have two bolts that we need to remove. Now, I'll recommend guys, okay, to have two people for that job. Okay, why? Because the door will start dropping guys. Okay, so we have one bolt on top, one on top, one on the bottom. Okay, check it out, the door dropped guys. So that's how we need to adjust it later. We need to adjust it at the same position where it was, otherwise your door will not close good, it will not seal good, you will hear wind noise. So we need to get Torx 40, start looking bit now, and we're going to remove, that's the mechanism that keeps your door open and it doesn't close on its own. Okay, so let's do that. Perfect, you can see it started coming out. Okay, great. Now, what I'll do, I'll go ahead, I'll come out and I will start, okay, give me just a second. I will start holding the door guys, okay. I will start holding the door, okay. And we start removing the bolts. Let's remove the first one first, and then for the second one, we have to hold it even more. Okay, just doing the second one, trying to video at the same time, so it's not as easy guys. Perfect, it's coming out, you can see, slowly but surely. First bolt is out, now the second one on the bottom. Okay, try not to mess up the fender too at the same time, because it's just two of us. If we had a third person now videoing, it would be great. Okay, let's see if we can flip the wrench now on the other side with the ratcheting part. Maybe we can do it now, yep. Okay, now I'll need to get a person to help me. Okay, come out of here. Careful not to damage your fender guys, extremely careful. We're going to pull like that to the side. We have a bucket holding the door here guys, and we need to start disconnecting the wiring harness. Now that's where things get interesting. You guys have two things that you need to press in on top, two on the bottom. okay, in order to disconnect it. So let me see, okay, where I left my screwdriver so I can actually go ahead and do that. So now we need to go ahead and pull that seal out. Okay, later I'll show you how we're going to reinstall it. Perfect. Now right here you have two things that you need to press in. Okay, one here, comes out, two on the bottom. The whole connector comes out. How you disconnect it now? Press in here, slide it over. Okay guys, careful for the wires not to drop in, and your door is loose all the way now. I mean, it's out of the car, you can see just like that. So that's how you guys remove it, putting it together. Practically it's in reverse order, we took it apart. And just install that rubber seal, okay, right here. Let me explain to you quick. Okay, that one, install it now, okay, on the lip here. Then install the wires and just push it in until it clicks in place. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.